Welcome, everybody. Welcome to this beautiful Saturday morning. Guys, I hope everybody is doing well on this wonderful Saturday morning. And guys, I hope everybody's having a blessed and safe weekend. We are going to do our rainy day fun today. Our rainy day fun. We're going to add some money to the pot so we can put the funds into our 100 envelope challenges. That is where all my rainy day funds goes into my 100 envelope challenge. But guys, let's count this money and see how much money we are bringing in for today. We have 25, 7, 9, 30, 2, 4, 6, 8, 40, 2, 4. $44 is coming into this challenge for today. Not just this one, but we have, I think, 2 or 3 more other pages to do. With this $30, I am going to get that $30 umbrella. Color in that umbrella. We'll trace around this umbrella for 30 bucks. Yeah. And then hopefully, ooh, I just went all out of line on that one. Then hopefully we can get the 25 next time we play. We will be able to get that 25, but that 30 is colored in, and I don't even have my book with me, but we will be putting this $30 into our rainy day fund. All right, now let's turn the page. Oh, we have our little rainy day drops. I'm just going to pull out some markers, and we have let me see, 2, 4, 6, 8. Normally I put $8 into this one. So let's get the coloring. Let's do this one down here. 1. What are y'all plans for the weekend? What are the plans for the weekend? I don't know. Since it's Saturday, it's early Saturday morning, I want to do a crab boil, a seafood boil, put it like that, for today. That's what I want to do. A seafood boil to have some oysters, some lobster, some crab legs, some shrimp, some crawfish. Sounds like a winner for me. For me, to me, all about me. I love a seafood boil. I love to make my own. I really do. I love to make my own seafood boil. Some restaurants, they just have it too salty. Salt on salt. But I still eat it. But I just love doing my own. To be honest. Yep. So with you guys, what's your plans? Drop down below and tell me, what are you guys eating for this weekend? For your Saturday. I don't know if I'm going to cook tomorrow or not. Because I normally, if I don't cook on Sundays, I normally wait and cook on Monday. I normally wait till Monday. Because really Monday is my planning day. That's when I sit down, plan all of my appointments. Every little business that I have to have done for that week. I do it on Monday. But I also like to cook on Monday if I don't do it on Sunday. That's the $8 going into our rainy day fund. Oh, and this challenge right here is by Norella's Budget. Now, this one right here is by Budget with Jenny. Jenny. That Jenny. Budget with Jenny. And this is by Norella's Budgets. And this one's also by Norella's Budget. And we are putting $6 into this one because, guys, 2, 4, 6. I did say I was coming back and I want to get those hearts. I truly want to get these hearts up here and add them to the pot. Hopefully we'll be finished with our rainy day. I think this year, our rainy day fund. I'm going to say by September, we should have my rainy day fund completed. Let me see what this one, I don't know about. And this one. July, August, yeah. Oh, September. Probably by October. October, we'll have them all completed, hopefully. By the month of October, we should have them all completed. The rainy day fund. And then it will go into our 100 envelope book and put it into that challenge. Yes, so we got 3 of the hearts completed. So now we need 3 more rows for this to be completed right there. The whole book to be completed. Yay! Norella's Budget and Budget with Jenny. Jenny. I think last time I put Jenni. But it's a Y and not an I. Now, this challenge right here is by, hopefully we could get this finished today, by Anna Banana Budgets. And this was one of her St. Patrick's Day challenge. And I'm also putting this into our rainy day fund. And we have $2, $4, $8 that needs to, what is the 8? I hope this is the 8. 8, 2, 4, 8. Yeah, 8. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 that needs to be completed in this challenge. And we have the 2 right here. And we have a 4 right here. And we have this other 2 up here. All right, so we got that complete. So we should have $35 in this challenge. Let's make sure. We have 10, 25, 27, 29, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, we do. And we can ding, ding, ding on this one. Right, complete on the back. We say $35 on 6, 5, 26. Complete on that date. And we're going to write 35 big enough so I can see it. But here it is right there. And we are going to clip her and put her into the completed binder for the end of the month closeout. Set her aside right here. Now, this one right here, we're also doing for the rainy day fund. And we are bringing in 10, 11, 12, 13. $13. So I guess we are trying to get this 7, the 2 highest ones. Get this 7. And let's get this 6 right here out the way. And I forgot how much this will save us. Let's see if I've written it on the back. No, I didn't. So let's turn on the calculator and see. We have 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 7 equals $38. This is a $38 save going to our, it says family fund, but I'm putting it into our rainy day. Rainy day fund. Save. So yeah, this is going into our rainy day 100 envelope challenge. So now we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, $20 into this challenge. I may come back and condense this one. Yeah, I think I will. Come back and condense this challenge here. But hopefully I'll be able to bring this one back next week sometime. Probably next Saturday. Yeah, probably bring it back next Saturday. Might try to go ahead and complete it so I could get, I'm trying to get my rainy day fund done and complete, guys. Done and complete, because I've been on that for, not the rainy day fund, but the 100 envelope challenge, because I have been on that challenge forever. But I wasn't adding money to the challenge. So it's time for me to start adding funds to this challenge. Oh, you know what? I don't know about this one, because I got one going on by Cynthia. Yeah, Father's Day challenge out. Okay, guys, we are doing our side challenges now. Let's get our handy dandy D4 die. And whatever number the die lands on, that challenge will receive $1. So we are going to roll right here. We have, let me count, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Ooh, we need $1. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yeah, I need $1. Let me just grab $1 from, I don't even have $1 up here. Let me grab one from this challenge right here. I will put it back. Okay, so we have $20 coming into this challenge for today. And where's my handy dandy D4? It's right here. We're going to roll. It landed on a 4. And we finna put $1 on this challenge. Right there. Let's roll again. 1. Roll again. 4. We're going to take these 2 and put this 2 right there. 2. 2. Take these 2. And put this 2 right there. 2 again. Come on, 3, 4. Take this 1 and put it right there. 3, yay. 3 again. Take these 2 back and put a 2 down. 3 again. Ooh. 3 again, take this 1 and put down a 2. 4, take this 1 and put down a 2. Ooh. 4 again, let's put down that 1. 2, let's take this 1 and put down a 2. Come on, 1. 3, I'm forgetting all about 1. 2. Come on, 1. 3. Gonna take this 1 and put down this 2. We have $3 left. Let's come on, 1. Let's get one more with you. 1, yay. 2. Last buck goes to 1. Yay! Okay, let's slide it over and see what number 4 received. It received $2, $4, $5 for today. We're going to get out the green marker and we're going to mark off 5 of these icons. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we're going to just color them in. 5 of the circles are colored in for this challenge, are being colored in. Not fully completed. I can't make a circle to save my soul. They come out looking like footballs. Well, that's $5 more into this challenge, and let's see how much we have coming in total. Did I just take the money from off of this one? We had 5 for this one, so I did. Let me grab the money from behind here. Now we have 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, $13. Wait, hold up. 5, 10, 11. We are doing these $1 each. How I get 13? 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We just color in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from last time. We had these 3. And then we had that. Or did I not color something in? Well, let's put it to the side. Let's see if we could complete anything. If we can't, I'll give it to it. I give the Mother's Day Challenge by S&C Budget Creation an extra $2. If not, okay, this one right here, I know received $4. So we can mark off 2 of the icons. Let's do it. I did that one. Let's do a red. A red one, and what color is this? Let's do this orange one right here for $4 because each circle is worth 2. Now let's see how much we have coming into this one. We have 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and that's correct. This one is by M.H. Finland and PR Money Roll. PR Money Roll. So clip it like this. Put her to the side. Number 3. Receive $1, $2, $4, $6. Let's get this green. And we got 2. Oh, we got a 3 right here. And we got a 2. We have $6 right here. We need $1 more for a completed challenge. Guys, we're going to borrow this dollar over here. And we're going to put that $2 right there. We're going to color in that $2 right here. But before I ding, 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 I want to make sure I have the $30 in here. And this challenge by Bookish Mama Budgets. She gifted this to me because I placed an order for her 3-sided die. And let's make sure this money is in here. Okay. We have 10, 15, 17, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, $30. $30 is coming into this challenge, and we have completed another challenge. It's going for car insurance on 6/5/26. Complete. $30 saved. There it is up here, $30. I'm going to write it right here. You save that $30 by Bookish Mama Budgets. Yes, we did. Going for car insurance. And we need it. And we need it. Now this one is a newcomer by T is a Saver. T is a Saver. And this is one of her Father's Day challenges. Isn't that gorgeous? Father's Day challenge, and we are doing each icon $2 each. And today it received 1, 2, 3. And we're going to add this $2 to make it 4. So we can mark off 2 of the icons. Like that. Showing the crown of the king on his Father's Day. Yes, there we are. So he received $4 for today. This is a great start. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, $16 saved. And save $2 each. And I don't know. Let me put, I'm going to put date night. Date night on that one for $16. And I think I got a couple more like this by T. T is a Saver. T is a Saver. This is my first time, T, doing one of your challenges. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I will continue to do more. But guys, with all that being said, always remember, I love you and God loves you too. I'm getting a phone call right now and I need to catch this number. I'll talk to you then. Bye.